If you're thinking about becoming a mortgage broker, one of the first questions on your mind is likely, how much do trainee mortgage brokers actually earn? Now, while there is no one size fits all to this answer, this video hopefully will give you a realistic breakdown based on industry norms, real life client experiences, and where the biggest earning opportunities lie as you gain experience. So what is the starting salary for a mortgage broker? Well, most trainee mortgage brokers in the UK who are employed are going to start on a basic salary around £18,000 to £28,000 per year. You may also receive commission on top of your salary, and this could be anywhere up to about £5,000 to £15,000 plus annually, depending on how many cases you complete and the products that you sell. For example, mortgages and protection and stuff like that. So what about that self-employed trainees? Well, self-employed trainee brokers may not receive a base salary at all. Instead, they earn purely on commission. And this can be a bit risky if you're just starting out, but the potential for growth is much higher, definitely in the long run. Some self-employed trainees start in this space earning around £1,000 to £3,000 a month, but they build up to much more as their pipeline starts to grow, and especially as their brand grows too. Let's take a real world example, which is a client of mine. We'll change the names, obviously. Let's just call him John. So 9 months into his career, working through an estate agency setup, he was earning around £10,000 per month in gross business. He was getting around 40 leads per month from the estate agency, and the conversion rate was around 20%. He was able to take home a solid income early on, despite paying 30% commission to the agency. However, his real challenge wasn't actually lead flow, it was improving his conversions and confidence with fees and protection sales. So there was other stuff we needed to work on. But that gives you an example of what can be possible in the right situation. So let's do a bit of a commission breakdown. What are you actually paid on? Well, there's mortgage proc fees, and they're typically going to be between 0.3 to 0.5% of the loan amount. You've also got the broker fee, which is usually going to be around £300 to £600 per application if you decide to charge a fee. You've also got protection, which is insurance, and those are the commissions on that. And this is where brokers often can double or even triple their income if they're done well. Now, protection is a game changer. Trainees who learn to integrate income protection, life insurance, and critical illness cover into their advice processes see a much higher revenue per client, often significantly more than the mortgage itself. So let's talk about some tips for you to maximize your trainee income. So start early with protection sales. Don't leave it till the end. That's one. Build a strong personal brand online. Your future clients are watching you, so that's another. Charge a fair fee. Don't undervalue yourself. Another one is track your conversion rates. It's not about leads, it's about how many of them say yes. And another one is invest in coaching or mentorship. So learn from someone who's been there before. You can do that just by watching content that I create. You don't have to pay. I do loads for free. So how much can you actually earn as a trainee mortgage broker? The honest answer is as much as you're willing to learn, implement, and evolve. Now, if you want to check out my deep dive masterclass on everything you need to know to build a thriving mortgage career, then you want to check out this video on screen right now.